The process of thermal spray sounds extremely dangerous, and I know that when you're in that process, you're taking the necessary precautions for safety. Or you've been doing it a long time. Is
Yeah.
there some close call stories or anything that you've done? Because it sounds almost kind of terrifying.
Yeah, it can have its moments. Let me put it in perspective for you. Let's use the plasma gun. The plasma gun is probably the highest energy torch that you use. And we run those typically anywhere from 40 kW to 80 kW in power. To the average person, that doesn't mean much. But let's take your house. Your house is typically 120 volts at your panel, and you have a 200 amp circuit. Well, power is voltage times current. That's 24 kW in your house. Well, just picture taking 4 of those panels from your house with 2 wires, and you take the things, you're going to stick them together like this. Would you do that?
No way.
No, of course not. So picture this plasma torch. We're delivering 40, let's take the smaller one, 40 kW power and about an inch in the inside of that torch. Think about that. 40 kW, the equivalent of 2 houses, is being delivered to 1 inch inside there with copper. Now, you have to have water to cool it. That has to be high pressure water, and it has to be the right temperature and the right flow rates and all that. So you can do all that. So that's kind of the thing you want to be very careful about. Having that much power around, if you put your body in the way of that, it's going to hurt. Now, on the part of the safer side of it is that's converted to DC power. So that plasma torch is working on DC power, which is less dangerous than AC power. AC power is what electrocutes you. But you still have to be careful because 40 kW of power develops a tremendous amount of heat. It melts ceramics. Ceramics melt at 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So you need a lot of power to do that. So that's one part of it. And then other than having arcs that can blind you, dust and molten material that you can breathe and clog up your lungs, and noise levels at 130 dB, there's nothing to worry about for safety. Just a couple of minor things. What the heck, a rock concert hits 120 kW. Nobody worries about that, right? I jest a little bit about that, but safety is a major concern. And again, you just have to treat it with tremendous respect. I haven't had any really close calls because I'm too scared of it. Well, I should say I respect it. It's not a matter of fear. It's a matter of respect. Knowing that there's that much power there is, you want to be careful. The other side of some of the power in this stuff is a process called HVOF, high velocity oxygen fuel, and actually HVAF, high velocity air fuel. Those particles leave the torch at sometimes up to 2 to 3 times faster than the speed of sound. That's fast.
Yeah.
That's really fast. The advanced guns are doing that. The normal one is, faster than the speed of sound. And you get the noise level because of that. So it's a tremendous amount of noise that can be with those thermal spray torches. And therefore, that's why we get involved with helping people get the right kind of acoustical rooms to put these processes in, and having the right safety practices in place to help people not get hurt. If you'd like to have any more information about the thermal spray or want clarity on the thermal spray or our patented technology in the pivot arc, give us a call at 724-229-5791 or email me at bob@thermalspraydepot.com.